Another short horror film. This is not a test. Government of the Republic has issued a civil defense warning. Do you think we'd actually get that in a situation where stuff's really going bad? Oh, a paranormal anomaly affecting the entire nation?
Broadcast by the Department of Defense of the Republic. A paranormal anomaly affecting the entire nation has been detected. For your safety, please carry out the following instructions.
Well, this sounds like a cool game. Do not open the door for anyone. Stay home, don't leave, don't open the door for anybody. Keep a light on at all times. This is not a test. I bet after a while this would be exhausting. You're fighting something you can't see by just staying inside. Dude, get into it. This is a 2-minute lead up already here, bro. 2-minute lead up. What is he writing this shit? Is he Googling this shit? I don't know. Wow.
Do you have any idea what this could be?
Bad acting.
No, I don't know either. I tried getting in contact with Jake, but he hasn't responded yet, so... Okay. Alright, I will, Mom. Alright. Alright, love you too.
What is he like?
Bye.
Is he in a dorm or something? This looks like a dorm. So I'm gonna knock at the door. What a bad way to fall asleep.
Let me in. Come on. Let me in. Please. I'm bleeding out.
Don't say anything.
Are you gonna let
Bro, he's knocking that fast, he's not fucking bleeding out. Don't open the fucking door.
me in or not? Something's after me. I need your help, man. Please.
He's gonna fucking open it, isn't he? You're already good, bro. Just wait, and he'll go away. Yeah, it's like a dorm. Or a hotel or something? No, what? There's some annoying ass fucking car people outside. Just being dicks. Ugh. What is he wasting time doing, bro? There's a whole situation going on here. You're just looking around. I hope someone beats this guy up that's outside. And your door's locked. You dumb fuck. Someone's gonna be in there. Jigga doggy. Oh, no, that's not a doggy. Is something gonna fucking happen? That was fucking lame. The end was so goddamn lame. I feel like you just fucking like got blue balled here. That's terrible. 7 minutes too. That one was 2 minutes and it was way fucking better, man. Oh my god. Some just suck, man. All right.